Merry Christmas. Dang. Merry Christmas.
Wait, what am I watching?
One more time, Frankie.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Mine was so fresh lips too.
That is hard.
Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, Franklin! As he catches the thing on fire.
I can't do it again.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, get out of here.
Spencer, that's cheating.
What a 9-year-old thing.
Wait, buddy. No.
He's trying to blow them all.
Don't blow them out.
Jackson, you have to say Merry Christmas.
I'll actually blow while you do Merry Christmas. I'll actually do it this way. Say Merry Christmas.
No, please.
Jackson, you gotta say Merry Christmas and try to blow it out.
I'm trying to blow it out.
But you gotta say Merry Christmas.
Good start.
Okay, let's go to
Say Merry Christmas. Merry. use all your breath. It's been watching us. Merry.
Oh, careful, it's hot. Good. You got there. Good job.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Mama and Poppy. Merry Christmas. We've all seen the video. Oh.
Now it's Willie's turn.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! You got one.
Do I do it three times?
Merry Christmas!
A little hockaloogie.
You're not supposed to clear your throat over the candle. Oh, no.
I'm trying to get air out to blow them out.
Go, Marlo.
Who spit all over here?
Say Merry Christmas, Marlo. Yes.
Go, Marlo.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
He's helping her.
Good job, baby.
Great job. When he says hello.
You get all of it. You get like 3.
Okay.
Hello.
That's impressive.
Hello. Merry Christmas. Stop, she tells him. Watch your hair.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to see. Wait.
I was trying to avoid all the spit up that was on the table.
I cleaned it up. Relax.
Looked like someone spilled their water bottle.
Maybe that was my
No, he has no idea. Okay, you gotta blow all the candles out saying Merry Christmas. You get 3 chances.
Christmas.
Oh my gosh! You got 2 more chances.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my god!
Hello. How are you?
How are you?
How are you? Hello and how are you?
How are you?
Grandpa, eyes closed. How am I doing?
Hey.
Pretty good.
I really can't see. I promise.
Okay, just keep your eyes closed.
Yeah, you cheated.
Oh my gosh. That was a great one.
No.
Like her dad.
Oh yeah, that's
Daddy's girl.
Okay.
We're ready. You gotta dance to the music.
No way.
Close your eyes.
No
Oh my
way.
gosh.
No.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Come on, Spencer.
Oh, nice.
There you go, Spencer. You got this. You got this.
Over there.
Yeah, because the table's not.
Stop.
There you go, Bryson. Oh, good job, Bryson. That was a big one.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Okay, we're ready.
3,
3, 2, 1, go.
There you go. He's been watching. He's been paying attention. I don't think his eyes are. Are you holding baby Jesus, Tatum? See, I was keeping her in mind. Braisley, are you recording? Yeah, record some. Just.
Yeah, I haven't talked to Mom yet, but I'm thinking about maybe just doing it.
We got her another baby for Christmas.
Oh, did you? Here's Braisley, our Mary. She's been our Mary for 6 years now. Now she's already 8th grade, 13, taller than all of us, except Aunt Caroline.
Oh, hello.
Hi there. Everyone's getting their costumes on for our nativity play.
There we go.
Here we go. Listen, Jackson, listen.
Jesus is born. Matthew 1:21. And you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins. Good news and of joy. Today in Bethlehem, your Savior is born, who is Christ the Lord. Come and see the Lord. You will know it is he when you find the baby wrapped in swaddling, whom he is pleased. When the angels departed, Jesus was stolen. When the angels departed, the shepherds said, "Let's go to Bethlehem right now to see this thing that has happened." So they hurried into town and found their way to Mary and Joseph. And just as the angels had said, they found Christ the Lord lying in a manger. Now when they had told everyone about Jesus and the appearance of angels, the shepherds went back to their flocks, praising God all the way. The end.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Tatum, what do you think? Does that look like fun?
Oh, you want to turn it to you?
Oh.
You want to turn?
Mom,
Yeah.
Mom, it's like a gold one.
Does it look like a good one?
I'm gonna let sister do one.
Yummy. Do this pan too, Braceland.
Oh, Jackson.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Okay, let's put the sprinkles on the whipped cream on top.
Yep. We need a lot of sprinkles on
We're
there.
gonna hold this and we'll shake it on. Hold it. We're gonna shake it.
Spencer's making snowballs for us.
Taste test this.
What?
It has peanut butter and chocolate. All right.
Okay,
What do
thank
we make?
Marlo, you're doing a great job.
Just take it out of there, put it in the bowl. Oh, now we gotta take them out. I forget.
Great job. We can dust them off in the garage or something. Jackson, you are doing a great job.
Take it out. Oh, it's so tiny.
What do you think? Marlo's over here eating it. Does it taste good, Marlo? It tastes so good. How does it taste, Jackson?
Ice cream.
Tastes like ice cream. Oh my gosh, you're the best snowball maker ever, Jackson. What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
No, you can't leave it.
Snowballs? Does it taste like snowballs?
No, it tastes like snow. It tastes like real snow.
It tastes like real snow?
Let's not do that. Just embracing them.
Look, you make a smiley face.
Here, look at me.
Gavin, look how clean it is.
Hey, Gabby, I like you.
We're making snowballs, Gavin. We're making snowballs.
What you want to do.
Yeah, get back to your station.
You don't know what you did wrong.
What happened?
He's making snowballs.
Making snowballs with this.
We should have taken his shoes off. It's literally everything.
In his clothes.
Maybe Grandpa can blow him off with the blower. With
That would be funny.
Hey, when he's ready, I will go him off at the blower.
You look like Casper the Ghost.
yeah, that might come off pretty easy.
Like if I breathe in, I can taste it. Like,
Oh, I smell it.
I know.
Oh, Gabby, no.
Okay,
are you all done? We're gonna get you clean when you're all done.
You need a bus?
Because it wasn't.
I think it's in the big bin.
But he was like, yeah, every oven's different. Like every oven takes a different amount of time to heat things.
Well, yeah, but once it heats, it should be consistent. Are we doing You're saying it's not consistent with the heat?
Okay, cream together. So I need the blender after you.
There's two of
There
them.
is another one if you want it. Big guns. Wow. Okay.
So we need 3/4 cup pack of brown sugar.
Caroline's going to be in all the cooking videos this year.
Caroline.
Caroline. Huh? Yeah, she's been helping with everything.
Every time you start recording her, she's checking your watch. Checking my phone. I'm so happy to see you.
Yay, I did it. I just like feel someone watching it. She's taking
You guys have to be like in action.
She's taking a video. Wait, are we sure it's supposed to look like this?
No.
Looking good. Yeah, that's a mama right there. What is it? A big mama.
Snack? Do you want to pick out a snack? If you're hungry.
Dad at his normal position. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much.
Okay, your baking sheet's open, Auntie Carol.
Okay, great.